everyone, we are here with another patient post a jaw surgery, 7 days up for her as well. And when she came to us, she told two things. One is she has a face which is squarish, and second she has a chin which is way too receded. And both of them happen to be right complaints because she needed genioplasty and ankle osteoplasty. Upon the scan, also we go on to show the scan, we saw that the angle of the mandible was quite projected out or sticking out, so as to say, and the chin was very short as well as small. So it was more receded horizontally than vertically, but it needed advancement in both the directions. So today we'll go on to see how she looks post the Genioplasty removal. I'll go slow, I'll take details. Getting closer to your headline. Okay, we are done. Over. Just keep your eyes closed. Keep your eyes closed, don't open. Just okay. So finally we'll give you a mirror. You can open your eyes, you can also see. Okay. Still swelling for you, both the sides, especially here and here, because the angle has been operated on. Chin, you can appreciate very well. We'll go on to see your previous pictures. Yes, this is more swelling on the right for you than the left, right? But if you turn, we can have a look that it's all being shaped inside. You can see, so once the swelling goes, it will all become uniform and it will angle. Yeah. Difficult to show on this side because the swelling is much more. Okay. Chin, you can appreciate very well if you look on the sides. You can see the side view as well. Yes.
And swelling is there in this area.
Right. So we see for example, turn to your right. You can have a look at this image and see now. So the chin was way receded, way short. It was a very small chin. You already had puffiness around the cheek at that point in time. But even now we can see once the swelling goes, it's all going to drape this way. And the alignment, the face will look much more harmonious because the lower third of the face has got better definition now. You see the chin which has come out. It's by huge advancement, by a huge margin it has come out because that was needed for your case. Okay, you can see the other views. Yeah, even you can see this view. Or just look at the way the chin falls. even the angle was a straight, it was a straight line and then almost like a box or a square. I know it's difficult because right now there's swelling here.
Yeah. Yeah, but it's not round. It's not square.
It's not square anymore. Yes. To me, round, it will give a better definition. It will look like, because the chin has become prominent and the angle has got inside, it will give a more harmonious look to the lower 1/3 of your face right now.
Yeah.
We'll also take scans for you and you can also appreciate the changes in the scan.
Yeah, and now the bandages are removed, so I can smile properly.
Yes.
Exactly.
Yes.
So
For you, it's an asymmetric swelling because the right side looks a little more swollen up than the left, but it will come down. Okay. We'll also go on to show your scans to see as to how the bony work looks like. Right? Okay. How was your stay? You did not have much post-operative complications, but was the healing smooth? What about the diet? Because that was a big restriction compared to your sister.
yeah, I really wanted to eat, but I stick to the liquid diets and soups help because post-op because of the intubation the throat was very inflamed.
Alright.
So after I started soups, it
Got better?
Got better.
Okay, fine. And once you're home, we'll have more options available.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you can stick to the soft, semi-solid and liquid part, but you'll have a more variety of options to choose from.
Yeah.
Okay, so the same advice goes for you as for your sister, which is to keep in touch. Follow all the post-op instructions, take medications and do send in your pictures. Okay? Okay.
Thank you.
Thank you.